back to my channel. Welcome back to Zombie Girl Eats. I've got a kind of a new setup going on here. Let's see, today we're having homemade burgers and homemade chili cheese fries, guys. And if you're not a part of that zombie fam, please like and subscribe down below and become a part of that zombie fam. Comment down below anything you may want to see me eat, cook, whatever. So, but yeah. But I've got homemade chili cheese fries. I don't know if, and some sour cream. Yum, look at that, guys. And my trusty old Mountain Dew right here. Don't want to forget about that. So without further ado, let's get started because I'm so hungry. I feel like honey because we're so hungry. I love watching mukbangs. I didn't forget the ketchup though. It's alright. It almost tastes good enough without ketchup. Look at that, guys. Yum, yum, yum. How have you guys been today? Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, chili and cheese and fries. Oh, dear Lord. Oh my God, that is the bomb. Did not have to spend an arm and a leg. I just made it at home. Bake my fries off. I don't really fry them, I like to bake them. Oh my goodness, that's so good. I should have just had a big old plate of chili cheese fries. And I know everybody's like, what is up with your eye, girl? I know. I had a little mishap the other night. I wasn't feeling too good. And I guess, I don't know. I don't want to say while I'm eating. But this happened. I busted the blood vessels in my eye. Nobody hit me, trust me. He'd find me on the news because they done throw me in jail. And my husband's not that kind of guy, so he wouldn't do me that way. Look at that, guys. That big old bite I took out. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. I was off work today. Yay. My boss tried to get me to come in. Dun, 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 dun. But my phone died. And I didn't know she called until after I showed up at the grocery store. So, no, I didn't go in today. I'm also making a donut cake. I'm going to make a video of it. I'm making the chocolate one right now. It's going to look like a chocolate donut. And I'm going to have like a pie filling, a chocolate pie filling inside of it. It's like death by chocolate, people. Chocolate pie filling, and then it's going to have chocolate icing, chocolate sprinkles on it. Oh. Oh my goodness. So good, guys. Look at that. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. My husband tells me I need to do a story time. I'm really not sure what you want to know. Okay. You know what? I was watching Trailer Trash Tammy last night. And she did a mukbang with a guy named Justin. Oh, Lord, I'm terrible at names. But I know his name's Justin. And she had made the comment that he was a new and upcoming mukbanger. He seems so country, I guess, like myself. I would love to do a mukbang with Trailer Trash Tammy, Justin, and Nick Akata, and myself. That would be so much fun. And also do, what is it, carpool karaoke, but mukbang redneck version. That would be awesome, especially with my eye like this. I would so fit the part. Look at that, guys. Sour cream, chili, cheese. Ooh. I'm just ahead. I give some good head. I mean, I'm a good head. Oh, my bad. I love sour cream. After I got pregnant with my oldest son, I craved it on everything. I even put it on snack cakes. And I absolutely still love that. I'm like, fat kid. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Shout out to my brand new subscribers that I got off of you now. My girls, you know who you are. I don't know if you want me to shout you out over YouTube. If you do, I will definitely shout you out in my next video. But until I find out it's okay to shout out your names on my YouTube, I'm just going to say, you know who you girls are. My twin. Oh my gosh, I love them. Going to my girl's house tomorrow. Hang out. She's off work. I'm off work. I'm gonna take the whole family over there. She'll have her whole crew. I'll have mine. Hopefully we can think of something we can make a large mass quantity to feed all these people. Oh my God. I'm trying to take advice from other people. And what YouTube gives me about having a a background. This is kind of off. I didn't mean for this to be here, but oh well, it's my first time doing it. I'll fix it later, but I told you guys, I'm brand new. I'm still a work in progress. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh my God. Look at that. And I love me some lettuce. It's so good. And my new subscribers are actually Nikocata avocado fans. At least 2 of them are. And they know exactly who he is. And we talked about his past videos. Absolutely love him. Me and her both. The only reason why we downloaded you now was because we wanted to go follow him and see him when he goes live. So. Look at that. Look at that. Sometimes it's more satisfying when you make it at home. But don't get me wrong, takeout's wonderful. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Be on the lookout. I got another new video coming out. The Honey Bunny is editing it as we speak. Today is Thursday. Today is Zombie Girls Day. We'll do all my editing. YouTube advises to get you a little stash of videos, like a supply. So if you can't upload one day or record, you got some backup. So that's what I'm trying to do. Look at that, guys. know, that was so ghetto. I use my wash rag or washcloth. I grew up calling it a wash rag. Mm. Mm. I'm getting full, guys. But I want to thank you guys, all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, my OG subscribers, even though I don't have that many. I think I got a burp. Excuse me. And thank you for becoming a part of the zombie family. It really means a lot to me that you guys like and subscribe my videos. Please feel free to comment. I do have the comment section on so you can comment and chit chat with me. And a few of you have, and I thank you so much. And like I said, just like and subscribe. Become a part of that zombie fam. And hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I think I'm stuffed, you guys. I'm like, I don't think I can eat anymore. I really can't. But I'm going to try to film a little later on tonight my donut cake. So there's another work in progress. So let's see how that goes anyways. But guys, until next time, this is Zombie Girl Eats. Bye.